Turkey's firearm industry has expanded rapidly over the past 2 decades, with manufacturers producing modern rifles, pistols, shotguns, and machine guns used both domestically and internationally. From special forces operators in the mountains to competitive shooters worldwide, Turkish weapons have earned their reputation through innovation and reliability. In this video, we'll take a look at the impressive range of firearms produced by Turkish companies. Starting off with assault and battle rifles. MPT-76, MKEK's flagship 7.62x51 battle rifle, designed entirely in Turkey with indigenous components. This is the standard-issue weapon for the Turkish armed forces, built specifically to dominate in mountain warfare and desert operations across diverse terrain. MPT-55, the compact 56x45 variant of the MPT series by MKEK, optimized for special forces and close-quarters battle scenarios. It maintains full power and reliability in a shortened package perfect for urban operations and vehicle crews. KCR-556, KL Calip's modular 5.56 assault rifle featuring exceptional customization options and a free-floating barrel for superior accuracy. The platform is ideal for Turkish commando units who demand precision and adaptability in changing tactical situations. KCR-762, the hard-hitting 7.62x51 version from KL Calip that delivers devastating stopping power at extended ranges. It maintains the same modularity and ergonomics that special operations teams require when operating in challenging mountain terrain. SAR-556, Sarsılmaz's entry into modern military assault rifles, chambered in 5.56 and emphasizing ergonomic design, features ambidextrous controls and reflects Turkey's growing expertise in small arms manufacturing for both military and export markets. SAR-223, a lightweight tactical rifle from Sarsılmaz firing .223 Remington for rapid target acquisition. Built specifically for maneuverability and speed, it excels in dynamic shooting scenarios where split-second decisions determine survival. SAR-3-8, Sarsılmaz's robust .308 Winchester platform designed to withstand the harshest environmental conditions. This rifle proves Turkish engineering can handle extreme temperatures from Anatolian winters to scorching Middle Eastern summers without failure. Aktas SAM, Aktas's semi-automatic marksman rifle that bridges the gap between standard infantry weapons and dedicated sniper systems, provides designated marksmen with precision fire support capability within standard squad operations. MAR-556, a compact 5.56 carbine specifically designed for mechanized infantry and armored vehicle crews. Its shortened barrel makes it perfect for rapid deployment from armored personnel carriers during urban warfare operations. KA-717, KL's specialized carbine optimized for counter-terrorism operations and hostage rescue scenarios, extremely maneuverable in confined spaces while maintaining the accuracy needed throughout Turkey's ongoing security operations. Continuing with sniper and designated marksman rifles. JNG-90, MKEK's precision bolt-action sniper rifle chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum, capable of neutralizing targets beyond 1,500 meters. It represents Turkey's commitment to developing indigenous long-range precision capabilities independent of foreign suppliers. KNT-76, the designated marksman version of the MPT-76 by MKEK that extends infantry engagement ranges significantly. Enhanced optics mounting and improved barrel harmonics keep Turkish infantry squads lethal at extended distances. KNT-3-8, MKEK's .308 Winchester sniper platform built specifically for stealth and reliability in covert operations, features a suppressor-ready barrel and accepts night vision optics for operations in mountainous border regions. KNT-859, an advanced 8.59 anti-materiel sniper system from MKEK, incorporating composite materials and advanced ballistics, represents cutting-edge Turkish research for extreme long-range precision shooting in challenging environmental conditions. MK-48, MKEK's .408 Çelik Extreme Long-Range Rifle, designed specifically for counter-sniper operations, engages targets beyond 2,000 meters, pushing the absolute boundaries of Turkish marksmanship capabilities and ballistic technology. KN-12, a versatile 12.7 sniper rifle from Kalep, offering excellent portability despite its caliber, balances anti-materiel power with tactical mobility for Turkish special forces operating across diverse theaters. KSR 338, Kale's .338 Lapua Magnum precision rifle, delivering match-grade accuracy and massive kinetic energy downrange, maintains sub-MOA groupings for surgical long-distance engagements in military and counterterrorism applications. KSR 50, the ultimate anti-materiel rifle from Kalep, firing devastating .50 BMG rounds, defeats light armor, destroys equipment, and neutralizes fortified positions from extreme standoff distances with devastating effect. KMR 762, a rapid-fire 7.62 designated marksman rifle by Kalep featuring semi-automatic operation, allows quick follow-up shots while maintaining accuracy that keeps enemy forces suppressed and unable to maneuver. Next on the list, machine guns. PMT-76, MKEK's 7.62 general-purpose machine gun derived from the proven MPT platform design, provides sustained automatic suppressive fire for Turkish infantry squads during extended firefights and defensive operations. S762 MT Sarsılmaz's belt-fed 7.62 machine gun, engineered specifically for thermal endurance under sustained fire. The quick-change barrel system allows continuous operation in prolonged engagements without overheating failures or stoppages. S127MT, a devastating 12.7 heavy machine gun from Sarsılmaz that penetrates light vehicles and fortifications with ease, provides Turkish forces with overwhelming firepower against hardened targets and armored threats. S56 HMT, Sarsılmaz's vehicle-mounted 5.56 heavy machine gun variant designed for fixed defensive positions, delivers high-volume suppressive fire with excellent stability when integrated into armored vehicle weapon systems. MKE-MMT, MKEK's modern general-purpose machine gun featuring comprehensive modular design for tactical flexibility, easy field maintenance, and reliable feeding system make it an adaptable workhorse for Turkish mechanized infantry battalions. MKE-MG3, the legendary MG3 produced under license by MKEK with an incredible 1,200 rounds per minute cyclic rate. Its distinctive sound intimidates enemies, while the sheer volume of fire denies them any movement. KMG 556, Kale's 5.56 light machine gun offering superior mobility for advancing infantry. A single operator can deliver sustained automatic fire while moving forward, fundamentally changing squad tactics and tactical flexibility. KMG 762, a reliable belt-fed 7.62 machine gun from Kalep, engineered with enhanced cooling systems. Robust feeding mechanism, maintains continuous fire without stoppages during critical moments in sustained firefights. Canik M2 QCB, Canik's modernized .50 caliber M2 Browning featuring quick-change barrel technology. This legendary heavy machine gun receives Turkish engineering upgrades for improved combat efficiency and reliability. Up next, submachine guns. SAR-109. Sarsilmaz's compact 9mm submachine gun, designed specifically for concealment in close protection details. Perfect for plainclothes operations where discretion and rapid response capability are equally important. MKE MP5. The iconic Heckler & Koch MP5, manufactured under license by MKEK in Turkey, remains the gold standard for counterterrorism units across Turkey, offering unmatched accuracy in close-quarters combat situations. TE-54. A straightforward 9mm submachine gun emphasizing simplicity and functional reliability above all else. No-frills design ensures reliability when complexity could mean failure in critical law enforcement and security applications. Moving on to pistols. SAR-9. Sarsilmaz's modern 9mm striker-fired pistol built for extreme durability in harsh conditions. Withstands desert sand, mountain cold, and coastal salt spray while maintaining the accuracy Turkish security forces demand. SAR K212. A precision-engineered 9mm pistol from Sarsilmaz, favored by competitive shooters throughout Turkey. The crisp single-action trigger and tight tolerances deliver exceptional accuracy for both sport and service use. SAR SR-38. Sarsilmaz's robust .38 special revolver representing ultimate mechanical reliability in a handgun. When absolute certainty matters more than magazine capacity, this wheel gun delivers with no complex mechanisms to fail. Canik TP9. Canik's breakthrough 9mm pistol that gained worldwide recognition for delivering incredible value. Turkish engineering excellence made premium features accessible, dramatically disrupting the global handgun market. Canik Meat. The evolution of Canik's successful TP9 series with refined ergonomics and improved features. Features an optics-ready slide and enhanced grip texture, representing Turkey's continuous innovation in pistol design. Canik SFX Rival. Canik's competition-focused 9mm pistol, engineered specifically for speed shooting sports. Every component is optimized for faster target transitions, proving Turkish manufacturers compete at the highest international levels. Canik TTI Combat. A collaboration between Canik and Taran, tactical innovations for elite performance standards, combines Turkish manufacturing efficiency with American custom gunsmithing for a truly world-class combat pistol. Yavuz 16. TİSA's classic 9mm service pistol that served Turkish forces reliably for decades. Known for rugged all-steel construction and reliable double-action operation in any environmental condition. Kainich 2000. A sturdy 9mm pistol from Kainich offering dependable service in military applications. Traditional design and solid construction make it a trusted sidearm for Turkish law enforcement personnel. Gürsan MC-28. Gürsan's modern polymer-framed 9mm pistol emphasizing concealability for undercover work. Balances magazine capacity with comfortable carry dimensions for officers and civilian defense across Turkey. TİSA's Zigana. An innovative 9mm pistol from TİSA's featuring distinctive styling and smooth shooting characteristics. Well regarded for unique aesthetic that sets it apart from conventional service pistols. Moving on to shotguns. Sarsilmaz M212. A tactical 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun from Sarsilmaz built for speed in close quarters. Magazine-fed operation enables rapid follow-up shots for room clearing and defensive scenarios. Sarsilmaz M204. A reliable 12-gauge pump-action shotgun offering simplicity and devastating stopping power. Turkish police forces trust this straightforward design for riot control and building entry operations. Akta's AK-12 UBS. An underbarrel 12-gauge shotgun attachment by Akta's for assault rifles. Instantly transforms a standard rifle into a breaching tool without requiring weapon switching. MKA-1919, an innovative 12-gauge magazine-fed shotgun resembling an AR-15 platform. Combines rifle-like handling with shotgun power, offering rapid reloads for dynamic tactical situations. Armson ATAS. Arms' rugged 12-gauge tactical shotgun designed specifically for law enforcement use. Built to withstand intensive training and high-stress operations where reliability cannot be compromised. Armson RS-S1. A modern 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun from Armson with significantly reduced recoil. Gas-operated system enables faster follow-up shots and improved control for operators. Utah's UTS-15. A futuristic 12-gauge pump-action shotgun with dual magazine tubes holding 15 rounds. Turkish innovation shines through with the ability to select ammunition type on the fly. Finishing off with historical and Ottoman-era firearms. Kale M1938 Mauser. The Kirakale manufactured Mauser rifle that armed Turkish soldiers for decades. This 7.92 bolt-action represents the foundation of Turkey's small arms industry and military heritage. M1948 Forestry Carbine. A shortened carbine variant designed for forestry guards and gendarmes across Anatolia. Compact dimensions made it ideal for mounted patrols through rugged mountains and dense forests. Turkish Vickers. The water-cooled Vickers machine gun produced in Turkish arsenals for sustained fire. Could maintain fire for hours without barrel changes, providing incredible suppression during Ottoman and early Republican conflicts. Tüfek Seçmeleri. An elegant long rifle from the Ottoman era known for ornate silver inlay work. These flintlock weapons combine deadly accuracy with artistic craftsmanship, reflecting Anatolian metalwork traditions. Seft, a beautifully decorated Ottoman flintlock rifle displaying masterful artistry and craftsmanship. As much a status symbol as a weapon, featuring elaborate engravings showcasing the owner's wealth. From cutting-edge military rifles to historic Ottoman masterpieces, Turkey's firearms industry tells the story of a nation committed to self-reliance and innovation in defense manufacturing. Thanks for watching, and also do well to like and subscribe to my channel for more content.